we're going to be mixing store-bought slime. I've seen a lot of people mix store-bought slime and I'm kind of excited to see how it turns out, but then I'm kind of nervous because I'm afraid it's going to be a total flop. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. If you're new to my channel, then hi, I'm Alina, and before we get on to the video, remember to hit that red subscribe button, and if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. And without further ado, let's get started. So these are all the store-bought slimes we're going to be mixing today. You may have seen most of these in my store-bought slime video that I did earlier. I'll leave the link in the description down below. So first we have this really pretty blue clear slime. Next we have this slimy barf toy. Next we have this boing putty. I really like this one, so I'm kind of sad to mix it in. Next we have this really cute pineapple orange clear slime. Now we have this purple glitter slime from the Dollar Tree. Now we have this really hard lab putty. I'm not sure how this is going to mix in the slime, but we'll see how it turns out. Next we have potty putty. Next we have this noise putty from the Dollar Tree. Next we have this really pretty glitter putty that I found at Walmart. This is really big, so I'm going to take a little bit and mix it in. Alright, so those are all of the putties and slimes. Now we're going to mix them in. Okay, this is kind of gross. It feels really weird, but I'll try my best to mix it in. This hard putty doesn't seem to be mixing in, so I'm just going to leave it out. This all of a sudden got really messy, so I'm going to put it back in the bowl and start mixing. You guys, this is under my fingernails. This is so gross. There's glitter all over my fingers. I cannot tell you guys how gross this is. You guys, I cannot tell you how gross this is. Just listen to the sound. That is, this is ew, gross. This is so gross, you guys. This is not mixing in. It looks like barf. I have decided not to touch this anymore. This is so gross. I'm going to have so much fun cleaning this up, you guys. Alright guys, that is about as much as I could mix. That literally looks like barf. I do not want to touch that anymore because I still have stuff all over my fingers. This is so gross, you guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you liked it. Like that very much, but I hope you guys did. And if you did, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, and if you can maybe click that subscribe button, that would be so awesome. Just so you guys know, I post Wednesdays and Saturdays, so if you check on those days, I should have a new video out. Bye! See you guys next week!